I hope we don't have to go over the longer term technical picture. We left off yesterday with that we were doing a correction, moving inside of this ending diagonal. We should have finished already level 1. You're seeing that one here, it shifted up to that V here, so that is a level 1 into 5 into 1. Alright, this is of course an A, B and a C formation because it's inside of an ending diagonal. What you're getting now is wave B down, and then there's gonna be, should be a strong C up, and that wave C up is what we are showing here, but you would still have leg C in white in that C up, and a correction back to the neckline and moving higher. We're not bothered with all of this. We're only bothered, or we want to do that entry because the coming leg C will take out the neckline. This is what's important, this neckline on the 4-hour chart. Now this is internal wave 1.5 here. I believe it is showing here at 3000. I believe it did a bit higher, but no matter. Now that correction down in 2 is what you're seeing on the 1-hour charts and the 15-minute charts. We try to make an entry into it because it's important. It will be a good swing wave higher that will take out this neckline, should take you to 3500, would probably take you to also 3300. Looking at that white level here, it's very, this is the most let us say assured target, 3289, 3300 in the coming leg C or leg 3. Now the entries are going to be above level 3 here at something like 2850 and 2830, maybe even lower, with a stop just below level 2, below this tweezer formation, 2450. Let's take a look at that in more detail. I believe level 5 did something like 3040. We check it again. Now we're just correcting this, and we would expect simply to do a right shoulder. We are using projections right from level 2 to the top of level 3, but this is an ending diagonal. We must understand that it could go deeper, but the plot doesn't show that it should go deeper. We left off with strong momentum on the daily, on the hourly chart. We're looking at entries, lower boundary of that ending diagonal, 2832, 2785. All right, with a stop at just below that level 2. All right, 2400, 2400, or maybe higher. Let's go live now and check the entries. The target is 3290. We're looking at this here, 3204, but we know we have a potential to go to 3290. We just checked it on the weekly chart. Sorry, on the 4-hour chart. Alright, so we are about to do a level 1 on the 1 hour. Remember, this is an ending diagonal. We expect to see negative momentum and then positive momentum. Now, because this is moving higher, in order just to understand the momentum plot, you're gonna get to see something like this here. Again here, and so far that it is contained above oversold levels, we are good. Now we expect to bounce at the moving average. This is a 1-hour chart looking at 2800 and 2784. You're looking at 2725. These two levels at the moving average, I think, are buys. So we will take this correction now to 15 minutes and segregate it very keenly in order to be able to make projections down and see which of these two levels are probably going to be met. The 1 hour gives us impetus that we are about to see a degree 1 bounce. This kind of momentum, it's going to be, should be contained, meaning we are going to see a bounce at that, we expect a bounce at that lower boundary of, or at that, yes, lower boundary of that ending diagonal. It is the 4 hours that is going to give us a probably a degree 1 bounce. You can see a 1 and a 2. We hope to get a bounce at 0 line, would mean that internal 1 and 2, and could break out into 3. Let's now take a look at actual correction. So this is now a very detailed plot. It's very, I think it will be quite accurate. There is a 1 2 here. This is all a degree 3, so we just do the labels right away and do the projections, and we will get to see where that is projected to end. Allow us just a few more moments and we'll have that finished and have hopefully accurate projections. It's really a very mute correction anyway. So really that 1 2 is an A and a B. There was an A and a B, and then maybe an A and a B and a C, and that one kicks up here. But all of this is not of consequence to us. The most important element to consider is we take two projections from level 2 to level 3. This is now projecting level 5 down. We take another projection here. Inside of that wave 5, you're seeing a 1 2 and a 3. There's going to be a 4 and a 5. A confluence of both will probably be the bounce point.